It is official. That is Eli Tomac on the KTM, on the Orange Brigade, and this is going to be huge. I mean, obviously, as far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong, this is going to be his last year. A 1-year contract, probably, or maybe 2 if everything goes perfectly well and he decides I want to run it back. But as far as I know, this is a 1-year deal. It's going to be how well can he adapt to that bike. Now, obviously, it's a completely different frame than what he's been on for his entire career, being with Honda, Yamaha, and Kawasaki, switching over to the KTM, the Austrian brand, the steel frame instead of the aluminum frames, different bike, and well, at least they're giving him what he wants. Now, if you know Eli Tomac or if you've heard anything, he likes cable clutches, not hydraulics, and I believe he doesn't like the WP suspension, so who knows about that. But we do see from this video, he has a cable clutch. He is getting the accommodations from the team to make it, at least that part of it, comfortable for him. Now, this is good. I mean, you want him to get on this bike, and with a short contract, a short window, you want him to be, the competitive guy he's been for his whole career. And I think, he's going to be 33 years old. Correct me if I think that's correct. 33 years old. And coming into this year, he has 4 MX titles, or 450 MX titles. I've got to be specific here, I guess. 2 Supercross titles. He's ranked second all-time in Supercross Premier Class wins list, 53. He's 4th outdoors with 32 wins. And you got to say, one of the greatest ever to do this. Now, like I said, can he make this bike his own? In a short window, come out, get comfortable with it, get used to it, change of the frame, just different power bands from the Yamaha from the last 4 years, and be competitive. I mean, obviously, Jet Lawrence is still going to be the creme de la creme, the top of the field at the moment, and there's a lot of changes happening. Obviously, Tomac going to KTM, Jorge Prado going to KTM, Chase Sexton switching over to Kawasaki. You've got Jason Anderson going to Suzuki or back to Suzuki. You have a lot of big names switching teams, switching bikes, and it's going to make this year exciting, at least to me. And I mean, even from that, right there, the little clutch up over the berm, he looks comfortable on it. And I know this is not a full bore super track. This is a press track, The whoops aren't super huge. They're not long. The jumps aren't gigantic. And everything here is just meant to be easy to jump, easy to complete the lap, and not really be super work. This is a media day thing. It's, hey, everybody, look how cool our bike is. Look who we just signed. It's a good PR day for KTM and all their sponsors. Red Bull, I mean, obviously this is a big switch too from Monster Energy for him. So a lot of change, and I'm excited for this. This is going to make, waiting for A1 really hard, but also is going to make A1 super exciting. See everybody back on different bikes, different teams, how everybody kind of falls into place, where they land. And for him, obviously, you'd want, moving to, another premier team, right? You would want him to come out, win a title, and walk away into the sunset, retiring on top, and be perfectly happy. Who knows if that's going to happen? It's going to have to be, a battle between all the top guys, him and Jet, especially Cooper Webb, always good in Supercross, and he's on a bike he's been with for a long time. I'm excited. A1 cannot come soon enough. This is going to just be an awesome year. Sad to see, it's probably going to be a year of a lot of people's towards the last of their careers, but it's always exciting, new season, and with all these changes, it's going to be it's going to be exciting again. It's just a stupid word to keep repeating, but it's just true. I hope he comes out and he's comfortable on his bike and competitive and fast, and can challenge Jet Lawrence for wins. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well does he do? Is this a good move for him? Would you have liked to see him go back to Kawasaki or something like the other rumors going about? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.